Hello YouTube, this is MathStats, and we are back with another video for you guys. And today we're going to talk about division of polynomials. Now, this is, I would say, within all the let me put it that way. In all the expressions that you can do with polynomials, I'm thinking this is the most difficult one. But I will do my best to make it as easy as possible. So, before we move on, take a moment to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and share it with other people that actually might need help. So, without any delay, let's get active. Alright, today we are doing a division of polynomials. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna do the division in two ways because I know people in the US they do it one way, and I think other places they do it a different way. So I'm gonna try to do it both ways. I'm gonna do one example in two ways, just so that both people can actually understand in their own method. Let's do an easy one for right now, and we're gonna build up from that. Let's say we're gonna do something as follows: 8x minus 12y divided by 2. So I'm gonna do it the American way first. So it's gonna be something like this. It's gonna be something like this. We're gonna have nope. It's gonna be 8x minus 12y and 2. Right? Yes. And then I'm gonna do it the other way, which is the way that I grew up doing it, because as you can tell already, based on my accent, I wasn't born in this. I didn't grow up in this country. So now what do we do now? We have 8x. What are we gonna do with 2? Well, we know that what would multiply by 2 to give 8x? That would be 4x. So 4x, that would be 8x. And we subtract equal to 0. And then we bring the 12 down. And of course, 2 times what? Negative 6. That would be 12. And of course, when you subtract, it's going to become positive. So it's going to be 0. Right? So this is actually a very easy one. Very easy one. Alright? Now let's do it the other way. The other would have been 8x minus 12 divided by 2. Okay? So that would be 4x times 2 is equal to 8x. That would be equal to 0 minus 12. Then we're going to do 6 times 2 is equal to minus 12. And of course, we subtract both of the terms. So negative 12 minus 12 is going to go to negative 12 plus 12. That will be equal to 0. And so that's how we would do it in the other method. Now, so that would be equal to 4x minus 6. Right? That will equal to 4x minus 6. Let's do a little much harder example. Let's say we have 12y squared minus 9y plus 6 over negative 3y. So then we're going to have 12y squared minus 9y plus 6. We're going to have negative 3y. So what we're going to do again, same thing. We're going to do, what would be, well, we know that for sure for 3 and 12 that will be equal to 4. And for y squared that will be equal to y. Now, what will be the sign of that? Well, we have to multiply 3 by a negative 4 to get 12, right? Yes. So then we have negative 4y times negative 3y, that will be equal to negative 12y. No, that's my bad. Negative 4y times negative 3y, that will equal to positive 12y squared. And when you subtract, you get 0. Then you put down the negative 9y. And what would you multiply by negative 3 to get negative 9? That would be a positive, what? Positive 3. Now we have positive 3, right? So positive 3. 3 times negative 3y will be equal to negative 9y. And that would be, you subtract them, that will be negative 9 minus a negative 9 will be positive. That will be equal to 0. Bring down the 6. Now, what would we get now for the negative 6 part? Well, guess what? We cannot get actually anything. Why? Because let's say, are you gonna do what? You can't do anything else for that one, because you cannot multiply anything by negative 3y to get 6. Right? So what would that be equal to? That would be equal to, actually no, that would be the result right here. So that part would have been 6 over negative 3y. Okay? So let's actually let's keep it in that way. Let's do the other way now. We have 12y squared minus 9y plus 6 divided by negative 3y. And I'm going to show you guys how to actually write the answer at the end. Very simple. So negative 3y, that will be negative 4y times 2, that will be equal to negative 12y. Oh, my bad. Again, negative 4 times negative 3 is equal to positive 12. Y times y will equal to y squared. You subtract as equal to 0. You put down the negative 9y. And you're going to multiply negative 3y times a positive 3 to get negative 9y. And you subtract them, that will equal to 0. And you add the 6 at the end. And there is nothing else you can do. What that basically means is this right here, this equation right here, I'm going to put this in a different color. This equation right here is equal to negative 4y plus 3 plus 6 over the divisor, negative 3y. And that will be the answer for this equation. This is how you would write it at the end. So guys, this is how it is. Now this is part 1, because we have to do more exercise when it comes to this. So this is just part 1. And so I might have to do a part 2 and a part 3, depending on how long the divisions are. So if you like the video, guys, don't forget to click that like button and click that subscribe button to help me and your other fellow people, so they can actually get to this video as well. This is Math Stats. Hope to see you guys again. Until then, Math Stats out.